Happy Birthday song. Composer American sisters Patty and Milder Hill wrote. This song is created 1893. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Scale G major scale. Fourth note is always half note value. Note G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp G. Right finger number 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Note value tone, tone, tone. Fourth note semitone. Balance note tone, 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 tone. Only fourth note is semitone. Tone is equal to one note value next to next key. Semitone means half note value next key. This symbol is playing right hand. 3/4 timing means timing is 1 and 2 and 3 and. In this song, rhythmic value is meaning 2 beats 1 and 2 and. Second, crochet or quarter note counting 1 beat 1 and. Third, pure 8 note counting 1 half beat value. This symbol is only one black note is used. F sharp. 3/4 means 1 and 2 and 3 and G. G. First bar first note is G. G. A. G. Finger number 1, 1, 2, 1. Counting 1 and 2 and 3 and. Second is C. B2. Finger number 4, 3. C third space. B is third line. Third bar G, G, A, G. Same note as first bar. G, G, A, G. Fourth is D, C2. Finger number 5, 4. After G, 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 E. Finger number 1, 1, 5, 3. Second line is first bar is D, C, B, A. Finger number 4, 3, 2, 1. After F sharp, F sharp black note, F sharp, E, C. Finger number 4, 4, 3, 1. And last note is D, C, 2. Finger number 2, 1. Happy birthday theory tone equal to one note value means next to next key. Semitone half note value next key. Happy birthday to you. Word after the notation is there. Finger number and timing 1 and 2 and 3 and. Happy birthday. Composer American sister Patty and Milder Hill wrote 1893. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Scale is used G major scale. Fourth note is always half note value. Note G, A, B, C, D, E and F sharp black G. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp G. Right finger number use 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Note value tone, tone, tone. As per rule, fourth note is semitone. Balance note tone, 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 tone. Tone means one note value next to next key and semitone half note value next key. This symbol is used for right hand play. Right hand playing timing is 3/4 means 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. This song use the rhythmic value is first minim or half note counting 2 beats 1 and 2 and. After crochet or quarter note counting quarter note counting 1 beat 1 and 1 and. After crochet quiver or 8 notes counting half beat 1 only meaning 1 and 2 and crochet 1 and quiver 1. This is the sharp sign. One note is sharp is F sharp. Timing is 3/4. Then it 1 and 2 and 3 and first note is G, G, G second line, A second space, G second line. Finger number 1, 1, 2, 1. Second bar is C, third space, B, third line. Meaning C, finger number 4, 3. Finger number 4, 3. Third bar is same G, G, A, B. Fourth bar is repeat G, G, A, G. Fourth bar D, fourth line and C to third space. Finger number 5, 4. Fifth bar is G, 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 E, G, 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 E. 1, 1, 5, 3. G, 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 1, 1, 5, 3. Second line, first bar D, D, C, B, D, C, B, A. D, C, B, A. Finger number 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And last में D, D, C2. D, C2. Finger number D, 2 and C1. 2, 1. Timing 1 and meaning 2 and 3 and. Another page is happy birthday. Happy birthday is word is there. Notation below the word. Finger number, right and finger number and timing is there. Happy birthday. This song is G major scale. G major scale. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. G, A, B, C, D, E. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. One note is F sharp. Right hand finger. Timing is 3, 4. Means each word timing is 1 and 2 and 3 and. First note is G, G, A, G. G, G, A, G. Timing 1 and 2 and 3 and. Timing 1 and 2 and 3 and. Finger number 1, 1, 2, 1. Finger number 1, 1, 2, 1. Word. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Second bar. C, B2. C, B2. Timing 1 and 2 and 3 and. Timing 1 and 2 and 3 and. Finger number 4, 3. Word. Happy birthday to you. First two bar. Happy birthday to you. Second happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Second happy birthday. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Repeat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. First 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4 3, 4 bar playing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. 1 and 2 and 3 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and. G, 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 E. G, 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 E. Happy birthday.
Third happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and finger number 1, 1, 5, 3. Second line, first bar. B, C, B, A. B, C, B, A. Timing 1 and 2 and 3 and timing 1 and 2 and 3. Finger number 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Repeat the first line, first bar. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Second happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear name. Happy birthday, dear name. Happy birthday. F sharp, E, C. F sharp, E, C. 4, 4, 3, 1. 4, 4, 3, 1. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Last bar. B, C, 2, 1. B, C, 2, 1 and 2 and